In this video, we are going to create automatic speech recognition framework in Python. An ASR is a software system that enables the recognition of human speech and converts it into text format. It uses machine learning algorithms and signal processing technique to accurately transcribe spoken words into written text. Now let's get straight into our solution. To get the code for this use case, go to kandi.openweaver.com. In this case, search for Create Automatic Speech Recognition Framework for Python. Hit Find to see all the available code snippets. We'll go with the top result as it matches our query. Now this use case requires speech recognition library and PyTTSX library to function. So before going ahead, ensure that you have this library installed. If not, get it from Kandi. The dependent libraries are available right above the code. You can copy the install script in one click. Now let's get back to our code. Copy the code in a single click from here. Go to IDE and paste the code. Now let's take a look at the code. This line of the code is to import both the libraries. This part of the code is to initialize the speech and TTS modules. And this part of the code is to listen through the mic and attempt to recognize the speech. Now let's run the code. And you have created automatic speech recognition framework for Python.
And you have created automatic speech recognition framework for Python.